Okay, in this lesson, we're going to be working with expressions that have more than one operation. In other words, to simplify these expressions, it's going to take more than one step. And we're going to need to know what order to do those steps in. So we'll start learning some rules for working with those kind of expressions. Let's read up at the top here. Expressions can be organized into parts called terms. These terms are separated by blank or blank signs. Okay, I'm not going to give you the answer there. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to circle the terms, and I will show you what the terms are. 8 is a term all by itself. 6 times 3 is a term. 2 is a term. And 2 times 4 is a term. Okay, so now let's see if we can figure out this sentence. These terms are separated by blank or blank signs. Well, what's in between the terms? Here we have a plus sign. Here in between these two, we have a minus sign. And between the last two, we have a plus sign. So terms are separated by plus or minus signs. Okay. Now that we've circled our terms, our next step is to simplify the terms. These are what we think of as little mini problems. So 8, nothing more we can do to that. 8 is as simple as it gets. So we're just going to rewrite it. 6 times 3. Well, I can simplify that to 18 minus 2 plus 2 times 4. How can I simplify 2 times 4? 8. Okay? So now we've simplified all our terms. Now we're going to add and subtract from left to right. So I'll start with the 2 terms over on the left. And 8 plus 18 is 26 minus 2 plus 8. Now I just keep working from left to right. 26 minus 2 is 24 plus 8. One more step, 32. So this expression in simplest form is 32. Okay, let's move down the page now. Each term of what are we working with? Expression. Each term of an expression is really a small separate problem. When each term has been simplified, the terms are added or subtracted from, which way did we go? From left to right. Okay, now I've got some problems for you to try, and I'll work a couple of them with you. Directions. For each problem, circle the terms, that's number 1. Simplify each term, that's number 2. And then find the final value, adding and subtracting from left to right. Okay, we're going to stop reading right there. Okay, now 3 plus 2 times 2. 3 is a term. 2 times 2 is a term. Okay, so now we've got our terms. 3 is already simplified. 2 times 2 is 4. And now we get 7. Okay, we'll do one more together. 10 is a term all by itself. 3 divided by 3 is a term. 10 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay, so that's how you simplify terms. Circle your terms. Remember, they're separated by pluses and minuses. And then simplify the terms and then add from left to right. And that's all you need to do. Do 3 through 8, and we'll check them tomorrow.